3 reasons why you should consider the Stacer Crossfire SE as your next family fishing boat. Reason number 1.
Crossfire is built for everybody on board, not just the angler. It's laid out for the whole family with a full front bow lounge, marine stereo and speakers, ski pole for water sports and a bimini for shade coverage.
Reason number 2.
It's got seriously good fishing features. You can remove all the bow cushions to get a full front casting deck. It also features an electric motor mount, VHF radio as standard, optional Garmin chart plotters, bait board, rod holders, plumb light bait tank, burley bucket and more.
And reason number 3.
The Crossfire is easy to tow and easy to launch. They're available in sizes from 449 all the way to 589, so there's a size to suit your tow vehicle and your budget. Jump to gcbc.com.au or visit us at Gold Coast Boating Centre for your next Stacer.